Hi everybody, and welcome back to Ron's Garage. I've been doing some welding here. It looks a bit better now. So now I'll start cleaning up and put some paint there. Um, I think it will be zinc paint. Hopefully I have something downstairs. But first, vacuum cleaner. Okay, I got it cleaned up and got some zinc spray everywhere. There's two reasons. One reason is that I will be boxing in this part with a poly floor, so I want to have something under there. There will be access so I can spray some gook in there also. So I also found some spots where I need to take care of that also. But now this heat has to dry. I actually have one thing I need to look at. I will be adding a roof here. So this part I actually need to remove, and I will be removing it the entire way because I will not have the trim pieces there. Uh, that will be a big cut in the body. I think I need to do that anyway. So I'll cut this off and weld it together so it will be a smooth area there. Yeah, let's try it. So now we're soon at the point of no return. It will be really interesting to see where we get with this build. Hopefully it will be cool. Yep. Some more grinding and then we'll need to weld that together. And now there's no turning back. Started to modify the body. It's no nice welds, but I'll grind them and see if I need to add. Okay, now the back seat is back in place. I've cleaned up the floor a bit. So now I'll have to figure out where should the floor be connected to the El Camino floor. So I've pushed this as far back as possible. And since there are a lever here, let's see if I can. It will be possible to open and put it down like that. So it should probably be as far back as I can have it. So let's push that back and put some weld on this piece. So we have fixed it there. Then we need to add some here to get it to look good. So let's do that. Okay, so that is fixed there, and that is fixed there. Now it's time to carry down the back seat into the cellar again and start welding. Okay, now we've done some welding here and here and here. Yeah, and here also. Yeah, it doesn't look good as we've said before. It, it's actually not centered or it's not in the correct place. But I realized after I welded it in place. So now we will test the back seat again. It's a lot of testing and see if it works. If it doesn't work, let's do it again. But
I think it will work. It's just a couple of centimeters. Let's see. Okay. Backseat is in place. And we can see the problem. You can see between there and not there. I don't think that's a big issue. Let's see if I can sit here. Yeah, no, you can't see me. Maybe that way. And the back seat is not fixed. So, yeah, that's good. Some more welding on the floor. And we have this part to start with. That part we have done. There are more work there, but as you know, I do a bit here and a bit there. What to do next? Probably carry the back seat down again. But I'll sit here for a while. Actually, this is one of the issue. It's rusty. It will be removed. But if we say this is my head and it's about my head and I break, then I barely miss the roof, and I'm a short guy, so no long fellows in this back seat. Yep, let's continue. Then we also have the thing to fix someday. Just fix the what's that called? Where the body is connected to the frame. So I had to fix it from the inside, so I have to put back a patch there one day. Okay, so I just got a bad idea again. I'm testing the roof. Of course, it's too high. It should be down in the body. It should be connecting to the roof correctly there. But here we can see a bit. If we look here, that's straight up from the bed. That would be good. But let's see how big the roof is. I'll collect it. Okay, so I brought the frame from the Polo roof. I don't know if you can see, I probably need to be that far in the front. There is a wind splitter or whatever it could be called in the front of the Polo. We should try to fit that also. And then we don't have enough roof back here. So probably, let's see if we can lift this up. We need to be around there. As you can see here, it's a bit further back than we need for the back seat. But that's the way it has to be. Somewhere around there should be. I think I'll put some markers there. Okay, so the left side, I guess it is finished. I will grind it and probably will have to put some more weld after the grinding, but yeah, it's there. now we have the right part here, and I need to do something in front here also. Not sure what I should do there. So here we've done the right side. It's not looking at all the same as the left side, but I don't think it matters. It's yeah, the way of the build. It's not perfect. It's working, hopefully. So I think I'll end off this episode here, and next time we will look at the roof and see what we need to do before we do the big cut there. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss anything, and hopefully there will be more interesting stupid stuff soon. Welcome back.